giving it back to China. It is giving it back to China measure for measure. From the Sarhad to the Sarak and now on Spectrum. The Prime Minister today has sent a personal message of sorts to the Chinese by going off Weibo. Yes, viewers, the Prime Minister has deleted his own Weibo account. He had launched it, or at least he'd announced his joining Weibo with some degree of self-congratulation, but today he's off it. And at the same time, viewers, at the same time, let me tell you, BSNL has decided to send out fresh tenders for an order for reworking the 4G spectrum. That means a tender worth more than 8,000 crores will be refloated, this time without the mention of Chinese companies. So Chinese will now lose out on a tender on a contract worth 8,000 plus crores. The center has also barred Beijing from all major infrastructure contracts. Let me quickly put a number on that also. Runs into at least 500 crores, viewers, at least 500 crores. The Railways has cancelled 471 crores signaling contract given to a Chinese firm. 59 Chinese apps have been banned in this country, and today the mouthpiece of the Communist Chinese Party came out and said, the Chinese Communist Party came out and said very clearly that it's a setback of $500 billion to the Chinese. Now, viewers, add up all of this and ask all of those who are saying in this country that all of this is gimmickry, what they think now. Let's ask them, in fact, let's ask them. The Prime Minister makes it personal with China, and I want to ask today from the Samajwadi Party, Abhishek Mishra. Mr. Abhishek Mishra, is this still a gimmick for all of you in the opposition?
Rahul, it is not a gimmick. It is very tangible. And somebody deleting his account, I don't think anybody could call it a gimmick, right? But let's not leave it at that. I understand when you're in a situation of a war setting, when you're in a situation when you're trying to oppose any power, any country for that matter, then in that situation, you would try whatever you can. 1,000 cuts to bleed the enemy is the best idea. Anything that the government of India does today to counter China, to emphasize that India is standing strong, we all will support it. Samajwadi Party has always argued, we have always said that the biggest threat that India faces is from China. And so if this, the Prime Minister, what he has done today, we could argue he should have done that earlier, but that's a separate point. The economic agenda that we are pursuing against them is perfectly fine. We must bleed China out as much as possible. But what I would also like to see at the same time is a very, very strong military position. And if the China has the guts to come up to Pogangsu and put a 250 feet marking and saying this is my territory, this is my map, I would like to see India, Indian Army, Indian soldiers, our leadership take a stand against that and say, no, this is mine, and we will defend it with all that we have.
Okay, so let me ask you, and I want to ask you this in specific context of certain other politicians, some of whom are your allies. Let's look at Rahul Gandhi. What did Rahul Gandhi say? He said, BJP says make in India, but what does it buy from China? Almost mocking the government's decision to impose what can be loosely termed as economic sanctions against China, beginning from the last 2.5 weeks. Jaiveer Shergill, BJP opted to get Sardar Patel statue made by China. Alka Lamba, Chinese apps delisted, martyrdom of 20 braves avenged, question mark. Muhammad Salim of the left, PM had to defend our map and he retaliated by banning apps. Now you believe that he's done the right thing by banning these apps. It's going to pinch the Chinese. So do you think these opposition parties then are trivializing some of these steps that are being taken?
Rahul, I would not comment for different parties, and they are not our allies.
But in general.
So what they are they're doing, what they're saying, I'm sure. Well, in general, as I said, in a war situation, Sun Tzu in Art of War says that you must work to bleed your enemy by 1,000 cuts.
So the
And in
Samajwadi
fact,
Party
I
is in
would,
support. Okay,
like to
someone's
see
raising
more
their
of
hand.
that
I think
happening,
Shadad Poonawala is
to be
raising
honest
his
with
hand.
you.
Okay, Shadad Poonawala, you want to come in? Yes. Before I bring in Sudhanshu Trivedi, yes. Please go ahead.
Yes, I'm sorry to interrupt. I'm sorry to interrupt before Sudhanshu ji, but Abhishek has taken a very candid position. I just want a clarification. Abhishek ji, your official spokesperson Ghanshyam Tiwari last night at 9 p.m. on Navika Kumar's show, or on 8 or 9 p.m. one of the two shows, he took a position that India is deleting apps while China is changing the map. So will you come out and categorically say to us, just like you've said for the other people, that this is wrong, that no map has been changed, you believe in the Indian Army, that Indian Army has given a befitting response, and that this entire thing is not just about deleting apps, but about economic gherabandi of China, which has been appreciated by Mr. Mike Pompeo. Will you please correct that galat position taken by Ghanshyam Tiwari, your spokesperson, fondly called as GST?
No, I'm not. I'm sure Ghanshyam did not say that we are in support or against that point.
No, he said exactly this. He said it on my show and he said it to me.
We can run the tape, sir.
Mr. Mishra, he said it
We can run the tape.
to me on my face.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. No. My point is that I'm
But you
not
don't
saying
agree with
that,
him, right?
This is bad or this is not what should have done. No, I'm totally in agreement with Ghanshyam when he says that we want to see more done. You see, it's like saying,
No, he didn't say that.
If this
He
is
says-
all that a
he
response
said-
is
he
going to
said
be,
that
if
the
I
PM
fight
He
with
didn't
my
say that.
neighbor
No,
and I
that the
block his
PM had
WhatsApp
to
account,
defend our
that's
map,
what
but he
matters.
banned an app. That's what he said, map and app. And he was, I think, paraphrasing
Yes.
actually one of
So
the
what
allies
I'm saying,
from your
Rahul,
party,
Rahul,
Muhammad
what I'm saying
Salim.
is very...
ally from one of the
Rahul,
allies
what
from
I'm
the
saying
Samajwadi
is
Party ally.
very
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. I understand it's difficult for you, Mr. Mishra. I know it's a bit difficult. We put you in a bit of a corner here. I understand, but I get it. You might want to regret the words of Ghanshyam Tiwari, but
Rahul, you didn't put me in a corner at all.
okay, I didn't. So you mean it? You mean that the
No,
Prime
Rahul,
Minister, instead of
I'm not saying that.
defending
What
the
I'm
map,
saying
is changing and banning apps? Okay, fair enough. If that is what the Samajwadi Party believes, the viewer is heard.
That is what he has done so far.
Okay, that's what he's done so far. It doesn't matter
Rahul,
that
is what he's done so far.
Okay, it doesn't matter to you.
What Samajwadi Party wants to see is more on the map front as well.
Okay,
So we would
map
like
front
to see
as well.
Galwan come back.
Now
We would
listen
like
how
to
they
see
are
whatever
shifting the line.
intention
Anyhow,
of
Dr.
Command has been
Trivedi.
taken up,
Dr.
we'd like
Trivedi.
to take that.
Okay, fair enough. Dr. Trivedi.
Abhishek had said one thing very clearly, that Congress is not their ally. So I think their other spokesperson will not try to follow the same language map analogy which the Congress is trying to do. But as far as this step is concerned, I would like to say the government of India has not taken this only step. We are successfully doing step by step in the last month or so, and certain things will go ahead. For example, we have stopped the direct investment of the Chinese company. Then we have stopped their tenders in railway. Then we have stopped their tenders in BSNL. And finally today scrapped it. Then we have deleted their 59 apps. Now we have taken them off of all the road tenders now. So today is a war which is not fought just on battlefield.
Okay,
like
is that effective in us, Abbas Hafiz? Just a rough back of the envelope calculation shows that 10,000 crores is the loss that China is going to now suffer. Is that still a gimmick for you? Abbas Saab.
I say that they say this at the outset. We have full trust in the Indian Army, but the questions are over the government. And like so you are talking about
10,000 crore ki penalty hai, sir.
Let me speak, sir. Let me speak. I understand. I totally understand the way the BJP people are showing as if every step is against China without their Prime Minister, our Prime Minister, naming China in his messages and all such things. Still, we can discuss about it, but you must know and you must tell the audience that these steps are also taken in UK and US against the Chinese 5G. So it's worldwide and nothing related to the LAC. If everything, if the government is concerned about the LAC,
I can only suggest.
I just want to put one submission. Then the government must come clear that they are
Can I have
doing
20
all these
seconds,
things
Rahul?
against China, and there should be a clear message to the Chinese
I
government.
think that
from
message
Mr.
is going
Narendra
out,
Modi
sir. If you
and the
just
Modi
choose,
Sarkar.
20
if you
seconds,
choose to
please.
put your if you choose to bury your head in the sand, you're not going to hear it. It's happening all around you. I think you
can
need
say
to
the
wake
same
up
thing
to the
for you,
reality.
Rahul. I can say
I'll
the
tell
same
you,
thing for you.
viewers, when you
don't
deal
want to
with
listen,
powers,
you can
when you
put up-
deal with powers, you don't immediately go for the nuclear option. You go up, step by step, on the escalation ladder. India is beginning to climb that ladder. China is beginning to feel the heat. They are now talking about losses, and they are putting a tangible number on those losses. It's up to you now to believe, viewers, your own government, your own army, your own forces in your own establishment, and of course the Chinese. Or you can pick your narrative. There are many out there, app and map narrative. There are many analogies that are being drawn by the opposition. You're free to go by them. We're not going to influence you. We leave it at that. Navika Kumar on the News Hour.